Today we celebrate a significant milestone in our dealership's journey towards a greener and more sustainable future. It's with great pride I'm delighted to announce we've installed our initial stage of solar panels for our dealership building and test centre building here at Dooley Motors, Sleaty Roundabout Carlow. The decision to install solar panels was not merely an act of going green, it was a conscious commitment to reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future. We were very happy to work with Niall and the team in Infinite Energy to install our solar panels on top of our two main buildings. Infinite Energy completed a load analysis survey with electrical test meters to understand our building's electrical load profile. When the load survey was completed, Niall talked us through the survey report to explain the building's electrical usage. Infinite Energy proposed and installed a 50 kilowatt peak system on the main showroom and 15 kilowatt peak system on our CVR test centre. Based on Infinite Energy's electrical engineer's design, both systems are expected to produce approximately 56,000 kilowatt hours per year, saving approximately €20,000 per annum, based on current electricity prices with a payback calculated at just over 3.5 years. Both systems were installed and commissioned in a week with no disruption to our business. Infinite Energy installed the recommended Tier 1 products found on the SEAI's EEE register, with warranties of up to 25 years on the solar panels. By choosing sustainable options such as electric vehicles and renewable energy, we can collectively drive positive change, create a greener world and a more sustainable business.